What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm here at Tavern East Bowl in downtown San Diego. I'm gonna do a promo video and I'm gonna take you along for the journey and kind of give you a few tips on how I shoot promo videos while I'm actually filming. So let's go. We got this little bar set up here. This is actually called Good, Bad, and Ugly Brewing now, not Tavern East Bowl, but I have the shot set up. I'm gonna record myself while I am recording the bartender making the drinks. So you'll see the different angles that I get, and let's go do it. How do you feel about this one?
Good.
So shot one done, we did all of the drinks, moving in and out of the shots. I was going around, I was giving her instructions on when to push out the glass or how slow or fast to go. So we're all the way in the kitchen getting all of the food now. Second shot of the day, second scene of the day. Just make sure I get all the angles of the food while the chef is making it.
I said that I needed you. I can late night.
So we just finished shooting at Tavern East Bowl, which is actually good. What is it? Good, bad company. Good, bad. As I was shooting the video, I kind of wanted to give you guys angles and all of the things that I kind of go through when I'm shooting. First get there, I asked them, what are we going to shoot? And when they tell me the items they're going to shoot, I've been doing this for a while, so I kind of know already what shots I want to get when I'm filming. What is the process you do when you're making this drink? What are you grabbing first? Where are you going to move? So ahead of time, you kind of already know, okay, I need to grab them grabbing the cup. I need to go over here, make sure I film this right here. Just so you kind of develop an idea and it gives you kind of a game plan. The store, it kind of writes their own story. It kind of story writes? What's the word? Story blogs? It kind of, it gives you it's always helpful when the owner knows what they want to film. Luckily, the owner already had like 4 or 5 dishes that she wanted to shoot, or 3 or 4. I don't know how many she wanted to shoot, but she already had an idea. Okay, I want to get these shots with these people and get this all set up. So I shot the drinks, but the bartender was very nervous. She kept saying how nervous she was. She kept saying how she didn't want to do this. As a videographer, it is your responsibility to try to help them be more comfortable in front of the camera. Even some people get nervous just being in front of the camera, and even if you're not getting their face. In order to make her less nervous, what I would do is I would talk to her more.
Right?
Sounds good.
Great. And he's all serious too. He gets up.
Ask her a couple of questions. It helps to get to know the person you're shooting with. You develop that camaraderie, that relationship beforehand, so it's easier for them to really get comfortable and really do the things that they need to do. One of the other things you want to make sure you do, make sure you ask them to slow down. Go as slow as possible. I know it might be hard sometimes, but it's easier if you go slow, because if you go too fast and won't get the shot, then we got to do it again. I notice when people talk about it, they tend to slow down. When someone is just like doing something, going bam, 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 they're all in their head and they're moving really, really fast. If you kind of ask them, what's that, or how do you make this, what's going into there, they tend to slow down a little bit. They're able to think about it a little bit more. As they speak, they go slower, so it's easier for you to film and catch the footage. And communication is key. There's not a lot of dead silence when you're shooting them and you're filming, because if you're quiet, they don't know exactly what you're doing. They want to know that, okay, this is right, you're still filming, or so you always try to give them cues. I'll be like, filming now, 3, 2, 1, go. When I stop, I tell them, okay, we're good. Tell them to slow down, tell them to speed it up. I said earlier, you develop the relationship, you make them more comfortable, and you kind of know already what you're gonna film. As you saw, I was going around them, I was getting different angles of the food. You don't want to ever stay stationary when you're doing these shots. I'm moving with them, I try to move over them, move under them, so it keeps the video interesting, keeps people watching the video, and overall is a better video. This was actually really cool because this restaurant's like a bowling alley also, so I got a crowd of people getting some shots of them bowling, them eating, them having fun. What I like to do is I make sure I get action shots of the food, as I mentioned in a previous video. So I got the actors, they were just kind of a crowd of people that were there, and I kind of directed them into the food, dipping the pretzel into the cheese, taking drinks, drinking a little bit. So you want to get that kind of atmosphere shots in the videos, because that's what makes the videos fun, makes it vibey, makes people want to be like, wow, they're having fun. I'm sure I could have fun there too if I go and check it out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video on my process that I go through when I'm filming a promo video for a restaurant or any business. Let me know in the comments below what you think about when you're filming anything or anybody, any tips that you have. Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear back from you guys. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget, be marvelous.